What's up, investors? Today we're talking all about NIO, and I know many of you already know what this company does and what its plans are for the future, but for many of the newer investors, my goal is to help you understand this company if you've never heard of it before, and I'll discuss what the reasons why it can be a great long-term investment and all the positive catalysts it has coming up in the near-term future. So let's get started. So NIO designs, produces, manufactures, and sells smart electric cars. The business sells 5, 6, and 7-seater SUVs currently, and they're soon releasing a sedan, which is the first in their lineup. And they also sell smart power lines and chargers as well. So NIO was initially created in November of 2014 to form a happy way of life. And what they mean by this happy way of life is that they are not just trying to create a vehicle, they're trying to create an actual brand for people to use and the community to become closer together, and them to provide you with so many other benefits that you continue using their vehicles and purchasing the other vehicles. So for example, when you purchase a NIO vehicle, you also get access to NIO House. What NIO House is a community for users to share their joyful experience and grow together. So in this experience, they have 7 main areas. They have like a lab, a library, NIO Cafe. They also have a joy camp for your kids. They have galleries. They're just trying to present you with a lot more benefits for you to stay with the NIO brand. They also have NIO Life. This is them partnering up with many different designers across the world, creating fashion accessories such as clothing, water bottles, accessories like bags, jackets. They're going to be partnering up with 100 designers worldwide for a green collection, and this transforms vehicle manufacturing scrap materials into environmentally friendly fashion products. The service that they provide as a car manufacturer is also stepping up as well. It says right here, the original NIO vehicle owner is entitled to lifetime free warranty, roadside rescue, and car connectivity services. So imagine just picking up your phone, you're stuck on the side of the road, you have no gas, no battery, nothing left. All you have to do is literally one click and you give them a call. They'll come in a van and rescue you and charge your car for you. So all that is free, and not many other car manufacturers do this. I don't actually know anyone that does it, and so many people are paying hundreds of dollars for some roadside assistance like BCAA when you can just have a NIO vehicle. So now just very quickly touching up on the actual cars that they have. So the ET7 right here isn't actually out yet. It's coming in about 6 to 7 months. It is the first sedan that they will be releasing. They also have the EC6, which is their smart electric coupe SUV. This is a little bit smaller. They also released a larger one, which is the ES6. It's literally faster, further with a bigger battery. And then they have their flagship SUV, which is the ES8. And then they also have their EP9, which is their supercar. NIO is currently one of the largest premium electric vehicle makers in China, and you can just see how much momentum the stock has gained from going around $1.75 to over $65. And now recently it's been on a downtrend, so it went from around $60 to $63 all the way down to about $30. So that was a drop of 50%. And I know many of you may not have bought at this level, or maybe you guys did, but right now I'm going to be talking about why this stock just went up all of a sudden in like these 2 weeks. It went up 70%. So from May 13th to June 30th, it went up 70%. And so obviously the big question is, why did it go up? I don't know the exact answer to that, but let me tell you some of the recent things that have been going on with NIO, and these should paint a very clear picture for you guys on what NIO is up to in the future and currently. So starting off with number 1, the plant that they're producing these vehicles at is able to handle a capacity of around 10,000 vehicles per month. And so far that's never really been an issue, but now recently they're really close to hitting that target. And so the major news that I have is that the company early in the month announced that its manufacturing partner actually begun the construction on the second factory near the industrial city of Hefei, which when finished, NIO's production capacity will be about 240,000 vehicles per year. So that's doubling the capacity of it right now. So you guys are able to check out all this information on the website. It says it right here that NIO will expand it to 240,000 units, and this next plant is very important for their growth, and to see it going as expected and on schedule is definitely good to see, as we would need this plant to be open for when the new sedan will be released in 2022. So moving on to the second catalyst is NIO's Power Day. So NIO is working to expand its portfolio of related products, including its recharging and power accessories. And the company announced late in July that it'll hold a Power Day event on July 9th, so that's in 4 days from today. And investors have come to expect a big product announcement from events like this, which likely give the stock like an extra charge. However, the intention is that NIO will use this platform to showcase its products, technologies, and layout plans related to the energy replenishment. So according to Bazinga, NIO Power is a mobile internet-based power solution with extensive networks for battery charging and swap facilities. And through Power Cloud, the unit offers a power service system with rechargeable, swappable, and upgradable batteries to users. NIO has previously indicated that their intention to speed up the opening of their improved battery swapping stations, where a battery can be replaced in just under 3 minutes, and it's possible that updates on this will be made at Power Day. So NIO also offers at-home charging, which gives users more than a 50% battery charge in just under an hour. It goes from 20% to 80% in just half an hour. So users can charge via their mobile devices as well. And even if they don't announce anything new at the event, Power Day usually just helps the rally and push for continued upward momentum with the stock. So moving on to the next catalyst for the stock, its recently announced quarterly results. By the way guys, if you're enjoying the content, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up by clicking on the button below, and if you're new, please hit the subscribe button if you're liking the content and want to stay updated with the latest information. So moving on to their quarterly results now, NIO announced over 8,000 deliveries, which were a new monthly record for the company, and that is a 116% increase year over year. And sales in the quarter were also a new record at almost 22,000, and by comparison, for the full year of 2020, NIO delivered just under 44,000. So if they're doing 22,000 in the 3 months, that is a pretty significant growth rate. And because of all this, Wall Street also took notice. Citigroup's Jeff Chung late in the month also raised his price target for NIO shares to $72, which suggests about a 44% upside potential from the current levels right now. And overall, on tip ranks, it's giving it around $63 price target, which is around a 26% upside. So like I mentioned earlier, NIO was aiming to expand its product lineup to attract more customers, and they've already been building their plant because in China, the passenger car market, which are sedans and SUVs, each make up about 46% of overall sales. So in my eyes, I see them only getting started because you see all the Tesla sedans on the road, and NIO doesn't even have a comparison to those vehicles until recently when they announced their ET7. William Lee said NIO's new battery technology will give the ET7 a drive range of over 1,000 kilometers, which is 621 miles between charges. And the starting price will be 378,000 yuan, or about 58,000 American, for the car without the battery pack, which is one of the most expensive EV components, which then can be leased from the company. And this car also got the Red Dot Award, which recognizes the best products for a given year because the design and appearance of the NIO ET7 is minimalistic, progressive, reduced to the bare essentials, integrating all the technology that will make the EV ready for the future. So in addition to these huge catalysts coming up, we got one more big one. So they're expanding not only in China, but also in Europe now, which is a major win for NIO investors as they're tapping into two of the largest EV markets in the world. And their ES8, which is for Europe, is officially approved for mass production and license plate registration in all of the European Union countries. So some of the countries are like Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Sweden, Italy. The list will just go on, right? But at the same time, on May 6th, it says right here, NIO also announced its entry into Norway, which is NIO's first overseas market. NIO will deliver its first model, the ES8, in September this year. And I just love the way that NIO is executing on its plans, because Norway has served as an example for widespread EV adoption, achieved through a combination of aggressive incentives, robust charging infrastructure, and favorable local conditions, including short average trip distances. So the battery electric vehicles make up about 54% of the sales in Norway in 2020 compared to just 2% of those in the United States. So that's huge. For every 2 cars sold, 1 is EV. So NIO definitely knows which markets to go into right now. These are some of the catalysts that are making the stock go up currently. But overall, guys, this is a great stock. I personally love it. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for educational purposes only. I own stock in NIO, so don't just blindly trust what I have to say. But I just want to let you guys know why the stock is kind of going up right now. And if you guys like this information, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.